Today we're in Southeast Lakeland. Wait until you see this really well-kept 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa with a single car garage, no rear neighbors, great location across the street from Polk State University. Let's take a look at this and see if this is something that could meet your taste. We're going to take a look at 4089 Shade Tree, and I want to kind of show you the outside here. This is 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a single car garage. You also have some space right here for guests. This is the next door neighbor beside us. And so let me just kind of show you the community. This is in Autumnwood, which is over off Bartow Highway or 98 South. It's a combination of townhomes, apartments, condos, villas, and really, really nice, very well kept, fantastic location, and know a lot of nice people in here, and they really do enjoy the neighborhood. So let's take a look at the entrance and the walkways you come in this. This one really has some nice features, nice upgrades. Now this is kind of nice because they do re-roofs and repainting every so often with this. It's all the exterior maintenance is covered. So when you first walk in, you just close the door behind us. Thanks for kind of stopping by to take the tour today. So 2-bedroom, 2-bath, it's a split plan. So when you first walk in here, you have a bedroom, bath. The master bedroom or the primary suite is in the back. So just to kind of show you, when you first walk in, you got the ceramic tile flooring. So it's great for pets, kids, nice and ease of use as far as wear and tear. You can see the pretty flooring here, wood laminate, and then you've got the curtains. And the window treatments are all included. Closet is right behind this door. And then this bathroom kind of lends itself in a couple different ways. You can enter it through this bedroom, so like an ensuite, or you can close this door off, which I'll show you in a minute, and make it a guest bath. So this has got the toilet shower combination. And backing up here, you can see the sink and the really nice neutral colored Formica top. So if you came in here, you could close it off this way, like we mentioned before, or make it an ensuite for this bedroom, which is a really nice option. So heading back out this way, as you can see, that's where we were. Now here, this is a big storage closet, very deep, drill-in closet. Coming in here, take a look at this open and spacious kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances opening up into the large living room space. Got some nice upgraded light fixtures here. You can see there's a Whirlpool fridge with the freezer on the bottom. And then we'll take a look at our laundry room. Washer, dryer are included. There's some additional shelving. This is to our single car garage right behind on the other side of that door. And then here's some storage. So again, you got the ceramic tile carrying all the way through here. All your stainless steel appliances, including the dishwasher, built-in microwave, oven, smooth top, General Electric, GE, nice high profile appliances. Plenty of granite countertop. Notice the double pantry. One pantry here, another pantry right there. Great for food storage or what have you. And coming into this area of the living room, you could put a round table here if you'd like, or a rectangle for your dining, or even just put something against that wall, whatever your preference is. And then set up your TV and your couch. Take a look at this. So we're going to show you about that more in a minute, but nobody in back of you, no rear neighbors. Nice screen lanai. But before we go out there, let's take a look at the primary suite. Now what's really nice about this primary suite is it has tray ceilings, and you can see the high ceilings. So not only does it have this huge area, it also has this, which is ideal for so many things you could do with this. You could make it a flex space, meaning an office, be an ideal office, an additional sitting area if you wanted to. You could make it, if you have a small child, a playroom area. There's so many different things you could do with this. French door into the screen lanai, and then a nice big double window overlooking the backyard, which again, there's no rear neighbors. So plenty of space if you can just kind of get an idea and a grasp from this video that this master suite offers. So not only is it a large master suite, it also has a lot of closet space. So you've got a closet here, and then right across the way, you've got a walk-in closet. And there is more space behind this door here, as you can barely see. So a huge walk-in closet, double sinks, raised cabinets, countertop, ceramic tile flooring is still running here, linen closet, which is right across from the shower. So you got your ceramic or your tile shower there, it goes all the way up. Shower door, which is great, and then your toilet room. So nice and open and spacious. Maybe you're looking for a startup place or an investment property. Man, there's so much potential here, and this particular villa is just ready to go. It is ready to move into. So you can imagine just kind of hanging out here, hanging out on your lanai, leaving your curtains open because the neighbors are so far away. You can see everybody's way off in the distance, which is really nice. So I'd love to answer more questions or show you this unit. It is immediately available right now as of the making of this video. All my contact information is below. Let's talk about your real estate needs and how I can assist you. I hope you have a great day. As always, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you'd like to see this home in person, do me a favor, message me below. All the contact information is below. Feel free to call, text me, email me, whatever works best for your method of communication. And I'd love to connect with you to help you with your real estate needs. Subscribe to this channel. Whenever I drop more videos like this, you'll get notified so you can experience more wonderful walkthroughs just like this one. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a good day.